Hello! Our topic for the discussion today is all about addition and subtraction of fractions. In performing addition and subtraction of fractions, we should have a similar fractions. If we say similar fractions, they are the fractions with the same denominator. So for us to understand more, let us try to answer the following. Number 1, 1/5 plus 2/5 is equal to, so this problem is an example of similar fraction. We have same denominator. So if we have same denominator or we have similar fraction, we can proceed directly to the operation. We have, add the numerator because the operation is addition. So 1 plus 2, then all over the denominator, which is 5. So we have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, all over 5. This will be our final answer. As easy as that if we have similar fraction. Next, number 2, 6 over 7 minus 4 over 7. Again, we have the numerator 6 minus 4 all over 7. So the difference is 2 over 7. As easy as that if we have similar fraction. Next, number 3, combination of addition and subtraction. So what we are going to do is just perform the indicated operation. Copy the numerator. 9, what is the operation? Plus 7, then minus 6 all over 10. 10 over the denominator, which is 10. So 10 over 10 or 1. Okay? 3 over 5 plus 5 over 6. So how are we going to perform addition if we have the similar fractions? We are going to look for the LCD. What is the meaning of LCD? LCD is least common denominator. How are we going to solve or look for the LCD? So in this example, it is obviously that the LCD of 5 and 6 is 30. Okay? So we have 3 over 5 plus 5 over 6. We are going to multiply it by the LCD. Again, what is the LCD of 5 and 6? That is 30. Okay? So what are we going to do with the LCD? We are going to divide the LCD by each denominator, then multiply by each numerator, then copy the operation. If that is plus, plus. If that is minus, minus. Then all over the LCD. Let's move on. So LCD 30 divided by 5, that is 6, times the numerator, which is 3. Okay? What is the operation? Plus. So the LCD again, 30 divided by the denominator, which is 6. So 30 divided by 6, that is 5. Times the numerator, which is 5. All over the LCD, which is 30. Then let us simplify. What is 6 times 3? That is 18. Plus 5 times 5, that is 25. All over the LCD. So we have, what is 18 plus 25? That is 43 over 30. So this will be our final answer. So the answer will be 43 over 30. Or it will become 1 and 13 over 30. Okay? Clear? Number 5. 5 over 7 plus 5 over 6 minus 3 over 5 is equal to... So this example is a little bit harder because we have 3 dissimilar fractions. So how are we going to look for the LCD? Okay? So we are going to look for the LCD of 7, 6, and 5 using the LCM. Don't get confused with the LCM and LCD. They are the same but different use, right? So if you say LCM, remember this. LCM is the smallest common multiple of 2 or more numbers. While LCD, that is a LCM or the least common multiple of 2 or more denominators. Okay? So LCD is a denominator, same as LCM, but it is a denominator. Let us try to solve for the LCM of 7, 6, and 5 using the prime factorization. So 7 is a prime number, so there is no other factors except 7 and 1. About 6, that is 2 and 3. Then 5 is a prime number. In our example, we don't have similar or we don't have common. Okay? So if we don't have common, what we are going to do is just simply copy them all. Let us copy them. So we have 2 times another 1, 3 times another 1, 5 times 7. What is 2 times 3 times 5 times 7? That is 210. So 210 is our LCD in our example. So LCD is 210. So 210 divided by 7 is equal to 30 times the numerator, which is 5. Then copy the operation. The operation is plus. So we have next LCD 210 divided by 6, that is 35 times the numerator, which is 5. Copy the operation, that is minus. So LCD 210 divided by 5, that is 42 times the numerator, which is 3, all over the denominator or the LCD, which is 210. Okay? So let us simplify. So what is 30 times 5? That is 150. Plus, what is 35 times 5? 35 times 5 is equal to 175. Minus 42 times 3. So 42 times 3 is equal to 126 all over the LCD, which is 10. Then let us simplify the numerator. So 150 plus 175 minus 126 is equal to 199 all over 210. So this will be our final answer. Let's have another example for finding the LCM. For example, ito yung mga denominators natin. What will be the LCD? So let us clarify how to use the LCM. What are the prime factors? We are going to look for the most number of appearance of such a number. Kung ilang beses ba siyang lumabas, kung sino yung pinakamaraming beses, kung ilang beses siyang pinakamaraming nag-appear. 2. What is the most appearance of 2? So we have how many 2s? We have 4. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? That is the most appearance of 2. 4 times. How about 3? How many times? So that is only 1. So times 3. How about 5? That is only 1. So that is how we are going to work out the LCM. What is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5? That is 240. So that is our LCM. Number 6. We have 2 and 3 over 7 plus 4 and 2 over 3 is equal to what? This is a mixed fraction. So how are we going to perform the operation? Addition. We can add directly the whole number. The whole number are 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? That is 6. Then how about the fraction? The fractions are 3 over 7 plus 2 over 3. Look for the LCD. What is the LCD of 3 and 7? The LCD is 21. So 21 divided by 7, that is 3, times the numerator, which is 3, plus 21 divided by 3, that is 7, times the numerator, which is 2, all over the LCD, 21. What is 3 times 3? That is 9, plus 7 times 2, that is 14, all over the LCD, or the denominator, which is 21. It will give us 23 over 21. That is an improper fraction. If you have an improper fraction, you need to change it into mixed number. It will give us, or that it will become 1 and 2 over 21. That is 1 over 2 over 21. So our whole number is 6 plus the whole number here, which is 1. Then the fraction 2 and 2 all over 21. So what is 6 plus 1? That is 7. Then copy the fraction, that is 2 over 21. This will be our final answer. Number 7. 6 and 1 over 8 minus 3 and 5 over 6 is equal to, so in subtraction of mixed fractions, we need to work out first with our fractions before proceeding with the whole number. Unlike of addition, we can proceed directly to the whole number, then the fraction. So in subtraction, remember that we need to work out first with our fraction before proceeding with the whole number. Let's try. So 1 over 8 minus 5 over 6. What is the LCD? LCD is 24. So 24 divided by 8, that is 3 times 1 all over the LCD, which is 24, minus 24 divided by 6, that is 4, times 5 all over the LCD, which is 24. That is 3 over 24 minus 20 over 24. As you can see, the numerator of the minuend is smaller than the numerator of the subtrahend. So it cannot be. What we are going to do is you are going to borrow 1 from the whole number of it. That is 6. We are going to borrow 1. So if you are going to borrow 1, it will give us, it will make 1 and 3 over 24 minus 20 over 24. So change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We will be having 27 over 24 minus 20 over 24. Now they are similar fraction. We can perform the subtraction. So 27 minus 20, that is 7 over 24. Okay? Then we can proceed to the whole number. So 6 here, it will become 5 because we borrowed 1. So the whole number 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. So the difference of 6 and 1 over 8 minus 3 and 5 over 6 is 2 and 7 over 24. So that's how we are going to perform subtraction of mixed fraction. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.